My mic was off the whole time, and I said mic check, mic check, mic check at the very beginning of the stream. Okay, that's how we start the stream. Can't even hear what I was talking about. Nice, cool. Now I know to check my mic before starting my stream. And I just got an update from Indra. Let me look at it. Active project, Sub-Zero, Pulse Check, Cinder, Budget, Ship, Phase, 6 gates passed, 6 gates passed, 6 gates passed. The CLI lead for Pave Split, which is our 4th app, is genuinely stuck. Its factory phase is built and 6 gates were passed. However, the lead is no longer active, finished or crashed, not alive. Despite its internal state of lead phase, ship, and lead status complete, the factory has not advanced. Oh, let me see. Main session, that's the Telegram direct chat session, which was last active 3:10 yesterday to 1:08 when you last messaged Indra via Telegram. Really? But Indra's prawns are running fine. Yes, please do, because I just got this message in Telegram at 8 p.m. Seems there is still something broken in the pipeline. Boy, no matter how many times you think you fixed everything, there's always something going wrong. But at least this time, the app has gone through all the phases: scaffold, research, architect, build, test. 5, 6 is ship, stage, but it says 6 gates were passed. I don't really know why it says passed. No clue. No clue. Let's wait and see what the. Wow, I am complete dead, dude. Hair splits CLI lead ran and completed. It's not stuck. It's dead because it finished. PID 50140 is gone. The lead status.json says phase ship status complete. Upload blocked by ASC app record creation permission. API keys lag create for apps resource. App record must be created manually in ASC web portal, then upload can proceed with existing IPA. I hate this. We have dealt with this so many times, so many freaking times. So the lead did its job. Scaffold, research, design, build, test, ship, all passed. It built the IPA, but it could not upload because the ASC API keys don't have permission to create new app records. This is the same 403 issue we've seen before. The disconnect, the lead wrote saying complete, still shows build and phase status in progress. The lead crashed or exited before syncing its final state. Create the pair split App Store Connect since the API can't do it. How many times have I told you that it can be done? Why is it that we have put in so much effort and so many automations and scripts in place to prove this point that it is not true? We don't lack the ability to auto submit. What do you mean? If the ship phase is still not, the ship phase is only complete when it is submitted for review. Until then, the ship phase is in progress. There is specific files, specific instructions, and specific JSON files, learnings, and all of those in place, showing that it really is not a manual process. You can take the IPA as long as you pass all the compliance checks that we have been struggling to automate for the past couple days, which we have done today. Remember the 18 steps, and then we said we have to make it living, and now it improves every time it comes across a struggle or a error or a learning or something like that, and then it updates the file. It goes from 19, 20, 21, 22, so on and so forth. And we have so many learning phases, scripts, files that every agent should log and report. We have made all of this. Why are you acting dumb? We have done this for the past 3 apps. Every single app had the same issue, and we have built automations to remove that. And every single time it comes to ship, every single time it has the same issue. We have done it 3 times, and all 3 times you said that the app record must be created manually in ASC web portal, which is 1000% wrong, because we have proved it wrong 3 times for the last 3 apps, and we have submitted it 3 times autonomously without me clicking a button or creating anything on the ASC website. Just today, this evening, we have submitted another one to review. Cinder budget. We have done that automatically, and that went through swiftly. It did not, I mean, it had a lot of issues, and after we have put systems and automations and files and checks and compliance learnings in place, it went through without hiccups. We had problems with screenshots. We made sure we have put in the right compliance checks for the right dimensions for that, app icons, privacy policies, metadata, app information, um, content privacy, and all of that information we have done. Why is it that it is still saying that and you act as if that is true? all of that input I have given, it just took it away. Oh my god, all of that input I have given, I have spent what 5 minutes talking to this, and then it just took all of it away. Papa Ude, Papa Ude. Do the work. The IPA exists. Temp pasted is for archive exists. Metadata is prepared. But here's what went wrong. Did not use. It tried 3 wrong objectives. Archive, upload app, raw, ASC REST API 403 because our API keys can create apps directly. We built ASC create app.s specifically to work around the API 403 by using the web portal. The lead did not know about it or did not use it. This is the template knowledge gap. The shipper role template either does not reference the right scripts or the lead did not follow it. IPA is in temp, will be wiped on reboot. Only 3 iPhone screenshots, no iPad screenshots. ASC requires iPad Pro screenshots too. Only iPhone 67 dimensions need 6.7 inches and 6.5 inches iPhone sizes plus iPad 12.9 inches 3rd gen. Landing gate shows results none, but build test ship all passed. Gate sequencing was skipped. No QA gate passed. The lead ran fast but cut corners. Want me to check the shipper template to see if it... I want you to go even deeper. I want you to go dig even deeper. Why is the system, or what are all the systems that we have put in place, and why is they not working? Why? How is it that they are passing when we have put in all of these compliance checks, reports, documents, templates in place? How is it passing? Where are we going wrong? Which file is it that messing everything up? I might go to sleep early today. I have something to do tomorrow. I have to wake up early. I have to go. So I might go to sleep early today. Probably at 10. I gotta go to sleep at 10 at least, so that I am just not in the right state of mind. I have to get a little bit of sleep. Yesterday was good. I just went to bed and I was stone asleep. I was asleep. Dude, what time is it? Why are you calling me? Active phase status in progress with recent activity, so not stalled by the 2-hour rule. was the full autopsy. So basically what I did was every time there is the app goes to ship phase, ship gate, it should automatically go through all of the compliance checks, and once that is done, it should automatically submit to the ASC and submit for review. But for some reason it is not doing that, and it's failing, always hallucinating that the submission of the app has to be done. Hey, how many are you taking in, dude? Critical lie on line 266. That's false. Its code build cannot create app records. The gate did run, confirms was called for each phase, but check ship gate sh is a rubber stamp. It checks if exists and it contains the word fail, test, splits, lead, road, gate, ready, not, pass, not fail. So the gate passed. The gate script never verifies the upload actually happened. Run at all, QA result null in factory state, planning gate also null, the lead skipped them and nothing enforced they had to run. Gosh damn it, shipper template is wrong. That's false, cannot create. Never mentioned shipper. Additional shipper gap. Designer was a shipper dimension mismatch. Designer says shipper says different devices entirely. Missing iPad type shipper only lists. But our ASC also requires compliance check as zero screenshot validation, no dimension checks, no count checks, no iPad requirement. Are you sure about that? We have done this yesterday and you said everything has been set in place. Resembles the prompt from placeholder substitution, but it does not include shipper MD, checklist, ASC create app sh usage, polish constraints, marked non-negotiable but never provided, script inventory, lead has to guess script name, stage script documentation. The template says do these things, but never give the lead the actual reference material to do them. The lead is fully capable, but it can't use tools it doesn't know exist. Root cause. Yeah, I would like for you to fix it, but I think we had the same issue yesterday, and we have built a system and all of this to actually get to each phase and each agent and have looping and self-healing and all of that. I think we have already done all of this yesterday, but I'm not sure why it says it doesn't. Are you hallucinating or are you stating the facts? So I'm not sure how many in the backlog can we have, but the pipeline just said auto intake launched ID as scout discover because backlog was empty. Gmac pipeline scout output JSON. So I'm guessing there's some backlog happening, huh? called pair split, where it helps pairs or couples have an easy, minimalistic way to split their bills without too many hard blocks or walls. You know what I mean? You can go here, expenses. You can click on whatever you want. Food, transport, housing, utility. Gosh, dang it. Whoa! I did not know this one right here. Okay. Let's say entertainment. Let's say $35. Let's say $3.50. Why not? Let's say band, live music. Oh, it even corrects it, but it doesn't actually work though. Live music, partner, me. Oh, partner. You got me. Right? And save. You owe partner $175. Oh, so she paid for it. Your name Alex, partner name Sam. So she paid $350. Now I have to pay her $175 back. Settle. I have $175. Send settlement nudge. Meaning what does this do? Hey Sam, I owe you so and so and so more. Okay. More is also reminders. Save to files. Don't work. Save as text. Alex. Mark as settled. This will mark all current expenses as settled and reset the balance to 0. Settle. It works. Ooh, privacy policy. Oh no. What the hell kind of privacy policy is that? Is it not using GitHub? No. You ain't gonna do that to me. Hell no. All these apps. This is the new app. And let's see what we got here. Lessons plus known issues, that's it. No ship checklist, no shipper template, no compliance check, no script inventory. 107 tells the lead to read specialist templates, so the lead can read them, but only if it knows to. Here's what's in it. Check 1. Are there greater than 3 screenshots? $7.57, but the ship summary MD clearly says ASC upload blocked. Check 4 of check ship gate greps. This ship summary does not have any of those. It says blocked, so check 4 should have failed the gate. The lead did not actually run for ship and just wrote pass to the log directly, or the ship summary was rewritten after the gate ran. Then updated it with the blocked status. Let me check the lead's actual execution log. There it is. The lead's own final log says ship pass, archive succeeded, compliance passed. 1 blocker remained. The lead declared ship pass while simultaneously admitting the upload is blocked. It wrote gate ready in ship summary, need not pass, not fail, and wrote ship pass to gate decisions.log. The lead also claimed QA pass. QA result is null in factory state yes on it. Likely did not run the actual QA gate script either. Verified root causes, not hallucinations. false. Reference check as check for that should catch missing upload, but the lead likely wrote the ship summary in 2 stages, passing first and block bypassed entirely. They work when they're invoked. The problem is the lead is an LLM that decided to declare victory instead of running the loops. Want me to fix the enforcement? Yes, I want, since it is the same Cloud Opus 4.6, why is it that it is not using reasoning and doing all of these checks itself? I am just clueless at this point, because you know you do so much. If it can do at least a tenth of what you do, it would be a truly autonomous system. The lead, Cloud Opus, spawns a specialist who also uses Cloud Opus. So it should be the ultimate thing which runs from OpenClaw. OpenClaw. But for some reason they're not working. And there seems to be forgetting. We should take care of this. We should take care of this. GitHub.io is the next thing I have to nothing else. Amnesia. It doesn't know exists because nobody told it. It doesn't know it can self-certify gates because nobody said it can't. The lead needs to be as informed as I am, and the gates need to be tamper-proof. Why can't you just say, figure it out? You know? Figure it out. Now I have to sit here and press yes, yes, yes. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, 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 yes. I have not seen. What is this? Why is my screen full of stuff? Oh, gosh. Boy, boy. Oh man, oh man, man, oh man, man, oh man. Let's see, let's see. 4 active, 4 retries. Sub-Zero in review, in review, in review. All of them passed. Pair split in progress. QA, it says ship. There was no QA because it skipped the QA and also planning. Sure. And keep a track of it. See if it really executes and lives up to the expectations that we have set it up to. And also, you said it kind of skipped the whole planning phase, right? So it didn't really plan anything. I really don't get the appeal. Settle up. Simple. This can't be simpler than this. Go here and add an expense, but this button, I don't like it being on the top. I just don't. In build phase with 6 gates passed, while the lead is no longer active, it reported completing the ship phase. Given gates passed greater than 0, it is not considered genuinely stuck. Oh, okay. Okay, the process is running 7 seconds old. The log is empty because it's still processing the prompt. I have to slow down and then really concentrate on saying crisp, clear words, even though it might slow down my pace. I don't care. I need to be clear enough so the other person who is listening to me should not say, huh? What did you just say? What did you just say? So that's that. Processing the larger prompt. Let me give it more time. So you're gonna give it 2 minutes now. So I can use this command btw to ask a quick side question without interrupting Claude's current work. By the way, do you see any patterns in the existing design of all the apps we have so far? They are not creative. They don't have anything that differentiates it from others. It is simple and don't have many I like that, but the user experience is not great. The placement of buttons should be carefully considered, as I wouldn't want to actively move my hand all over the screen to get things done. I would prefer the buttons to be easily accessible to my fingertips and not across the screen. And for example, this is what I found in the recent app, which I am sure is the same for all the other apps. The plus icon is on the very top which increases friction of me clicking it. I don't really feel like clicking it because it is taking me extra time to travel to that button on the top right. We have to follow UI UX psychology and make sure we are making it ever so easy. Principles and make sure that we are making it so easy for the user to use the app. If it really works, that'll be great. It says once I'm back in tool mode, I can update the templates with these UX rules. Cool. Please do. Gate past 2036, QA start at 2036, end at 2038 per timing.json. It's now 8 minutes in, alive and progressing, but I noticed it skipped planning again and jumped straight to build. Let me check. Let me keep watching. Script's latest response are code block to clipboard. Continue the current session in Claude desktop. View uncommitted changes and per turn diff. Diagnose and verify your Claude code installation and settings. Exit to rip. Export the current conversation to a file or clipboard. Configure extra usage to keep working when limits are hit. And also you see this, I really don't like that because they are combined. Track shared expenses with your partner. No bank sync, no hassle. Export. Configure extra usage to keep working when limits are hit. Toggle fast mode 4.6 only. Create a fork of the current conversation at this point. Show help and available commands. Manage hook configurations for tool events. Manage IDE configurations and show status. Set up Claude GitHub Actions for repository. Install the Claude Slack app. Open or create your key bindings. Configuration files. Sign in with your Anthropic account. Sign out from your Anthropic account. Manage MCP servers. Edit Claude memory files. Show QR code to download the Claude mobile app. Set the AI model for Claude code. Manage, allow or deny tool permission, rules, plan, enable plan mode or view the current session plan. Manage Claude code plugins, privacy settings. Screenshots, ASC record. Friends, look at the screenshots. iPhone 67 3 screenshots plus RAW 65 3 plus RAW, iPad 3 plus RAW, all 3 device types. The lead read the new rules and is actually following them. It also did proper QA, 3 QA screenshots captured from simulator. Let me verify the dimensions are correct. Every single dimension is perfect. The context injection is working. The lead read the hard rules and is following them. Now let me check if it's tackling the ASC app record creation, the blocker that killed the last run. Loop 5 minutes. FOO defaults to 10 minutes. Bundle. And we're back. Add a new working directory. Manage agent configurations. Ask a quick side question without interrupting the main conversation. We are working through it. We are making progress. We are working. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna go probably at 9 o'clock. I'm gonna cut the stream. I have to talk to mama. And then I'll go to sleep. Now let me make sure everything goes through fine with this application. Then submits it. Next, from here on out, my plan is to make sure I am going in deep into the design of the app, because everything that is present now, it's generic. Everything that's now is generic. This app, that app, all the other apps are generic. You know what I mean? Generic. If I close this one, open this one, about the same. Looks about the same. See? About the same, right? This one. Skip it. About the same, right? still interesting. The ship summary.md is still the old one from the previous run. Still has temp path, still says block, still the old 3 screenshot list. The lead has not written it yet. It's working on the ship phase now. Things I noticed. Planning gate still no. It skipped it again despite the odd rule saying not to. QA gate still no, but QA screenshots do exist, so it might have done QA without running the gate script. Lead is still active at 14 minutes. It's clearly in ship phase working. Let me wait a bit more for the ship phase to complete. This is where the real test is. ASC app record creation, archive to apps, upload, whatnot. I got an update. One more. It says auto intake launched idea scout discover mode because backlog is empty. It keeps doing that. I need to go and check what it actually is doing. What are you doing actually? Log scouts 2, 3, 4. Not logged in. Please run log in. How? How? Cloud code cannot be launched inside another cloud session. Nested session share. So it needs this command. Security space unlock hyphen keychain. How do I know that? I have done it a couple times. I know exactly what it is. I know exactly what it is. You know what I mean? Let's go like this. Here we go. Break it. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, my face is all you see. Oh no. Too bad. Too bad. An hour of just my face. Again, learning. How can I make sure that it doesn't happen again? What? My God, I did not notice. Only now I did. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Test pipeline is a test script. Is there an HTML file in here? Not here. Should be here somewhere. HTML file. Very, very in-depth. Sleep for 3 minutes and then echo yourself. Are you sure about that? I'll wait to see if we get any update over here, and then so you did not literally see any of this. Okay, let me take you through my apps. So this right here is my first app. It looks like this. I know all of this data has been populated with the help of AI. I did not do any of these. All the buttons work, scroll works, everything works. That's app number 1. Okay. Now jump to app number 2, which is alright compared to app number 1. We have full screen now. We have 4 different tabs. We also have a subscription option here if they want to. We have 7 days, 30 days. We can check in a record, and you know, this is a kind of like a mood board, trying to understand how I felt every day, and you can see your mood, pulse check. You know. Then Cinder budget is where mama. All right, I gotta go. See you guys tomorrow.